That's a wrap for the 2018 Bacolod Workshops, as students from various courses presented their final outputs for the culmination night, the Inasal Awards. The Gallaga Theater was filled with artists, filmmakers, and writers in their best dress or sputing, as the theme of the night suggested. The event was hosted by Mr. John Arceo. 15 Inasals were given to the most outstanding students. Catherine Tacson by NASA for Best Film, Director, and Screenplay. Sunshine won Best Film in Teen category. Christopher Sulat for Best Production Design and Editing. Arian Ordinario for Best Cinematography and Sputing awardee. Mark Santua for Best Actor. Crix Ledesma for Best Actress. Prince Adle for Best Supporting Actor. May Ann Havillana for Best Supporting Actress. Jadine Ledesma for Best Makeup. Raul Sarmiento for Best Sound Design. And Joan Bernal for Artist of the Year. It was the cherry on top of a perfect Sunday for the 118 enrollees of the Bacolod Workshops 2018 as they enter summer with memories and new knowledge in hand.